Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Mathematics Classroom. I am Adetunji, your mathematics tutor. To our returning viewers, welcome back to your classroom. To our new viewers, please do where to press the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook and TikTok. Please press your follow button, like, share, and put your comments in the comment box, as we have all known that in the mathematics class like this, we bring out our books and pen and we work the calculations together. So in today's GCE class 2025 video that we are releasing right now, mathematics possible questions to discuss in this video, we have a question saying if 9 exponential 1 minus x equals to 27 exponential y and x minus y equals to negative 1 whole number 1 over 2, find the value of x plus y. Looking at this question here, we can see like 2 to 3 concept there. When I say concept, that is, we can see a concept that looks like indices topic. Indices, the first one. We can also see something that works with linear equation, and altogether the story will end with simultaneous equation. So without wasting our time, let's read the equation and let's make ourselves happy. All right, let's pick the first equation that said 9 exponential 1 minus x equals 27 exponential y. Now let's write that, and I write solution. So let's first deal with equation 1 so that everything will look alike. We have 9 exponential 1 minus x equals to 27 exponential y. If you check this very well, the base numbers are not the same, and likewise there is no tendency that this base number individual has an exponent that will equal to one another like this until we return them back to the number that put them together. What am I saying? That we can never say we have 9 exponential a whole number that will give us 27. Same thing, we can never have 27 exponential whole number that will give us 9. So the next thing will now be, what are we going to do? So in this situation, we think about the number that build up the two of them. And what am I saying? Looking at 9. 9 can be written as 3 exponential 2, while 27 can be written as 3 exponential 3. That is, this is our 9 now, and this is our 27. The next will now be, we should carry the exponents and join it with the existing exponents. Alright, we have 1 minus x, and here we have what? We have y. So let's perfect it. Equation is there, we have equals to. So we have this to be removed according to the indices. When you have the base number equal to one another, definitely you need to cancel it. From there we have this to say 2 brackets 1 minus x equals to 3y. With this, now when we open our brackets, we're going to have 2 minus 2x equals to 3y. This is the first equation, but let's write it perfectly, maybe by making our constant value to be on the side and our variables to be on the other side. What am I saying? Let's leave this constant value here while we transfer this negative 2x to the other side. So we have 3y. Negative 2x becomes positive 2x, and equation 1 is established. Now equation 2 is leaving. We just bring it up, and what are we saying? We have x minus y equals to what? Negative 1 whole number 1 over 2. That is, this misfraction can be written in form of what? Improper fraction, so that you'll be able to attend the 2. Alright, what am I saying? Since I have this as 3 over 2, I'll say negative 3 over 2 equals what? Now equals what? Now here I have x minus y. I have x minus y, and here I have y plus x. Do you believe that x minus y can also be written as minus y plus x? It's just a transformation. Remember, the sign in front of this y is negative, that's why you are seeing it there, and the sign in front of this x is positive, that's what you are seeing there. So we just say minus y plus x. And with this, now my equation 2 is standing, but we can still make it simple. We need, mathematics is fun. Let's enjoy it. So what am I saying now? Instead of having it dealing with fractions and getting stuck somewhere, what can we do? Let's just multiply all through by this denominator that we call 2. So multiply all through by 2 By doing that, this denominator will disappear, and we have what we call we have a perfect number with that fraction. So we have minus 3 equals this one, 2 times minus y becomes minus 2y, 2 times x, that is 2x. So I have my equation 2. Because of what is in between, I can decide to rewrite so that I will have perfect equation. I'll just say rewrite. So what am I writing again? The first equation, 2 equals 3y plus 2x, and the negative, that is the first, that's equation 1, and the second one is negative 3 minus 2y plus 2x. That one is what? Equation 2. Now we have our equation. Now we are in concept number, maybe number 3 now, because we are done with indices form. Well, let me call this one concept number 2, simultaneous equation. So we have many ways of solving simultaneous equation, and we have released many videos on simultaneous equation. We have method of solving simultaneous equation. We can use elimination method, we can use substitution method, we can use graphical method, and likewise we can use the trick in the mathematics to solve it. But here I will use elimination method. Why? Because I've already seen my family of 2 showing that they can eliminate one another, so I don't need to waste my time. So I will just declare my negative sign here. So why am I declaring negative sign? Because I have positive 2x, positive 2x. What can make the 2 to become 0 is applying negative as the operation. So here now 2x minus 2x is already 0. So I cannot carry out the operation generally. 2 minus 3. So that one gives me 5. And here I have 3 minus 2. That one give me 5y. We have already known this place is 0. We don't need to waste our time. So from there, 5 equals to 5y. We are done here. So the formula, we take over, divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 5. Indirectly, what we are saying is that y equals to 5 over 5, and y equals to 1. So with that, now we have settled the y. Y is 1. Now let's go and settle the second one to find our x. Luckily for us, we have the existing 2 equations. We didn't generate any other equation apart from the existing one, equation 2. So from there, we can pick any one we like. I'll pick equation 1, and I want you to pick equation 2. Do it and drop your answer in the comment box for us to compare at the end of the day. Alright, I pick equation 1. I will just say, let me just divide my board like this. I have something like this. I will say substitute. If you like, I can say put. We are saying the same thing. So substitute for what? Now, for y equals to 1. In which equation am I using now? In equation 1. So what is my equation 1 saying? I have 2 equals 3y plus what? Plus 2x. That's what equation 1 is saying, and my y is 1 already. So I just say 2 equals to 3 to bracket 1 plus 2x. And with this I have 2 equals to 3 plus 2x. So with what I have here now, what can I have? When I put everything together, I'll be having 2 minus 3 equals to 2x. Luckily, minus 1 equals to 2x. Finally, divide all through, or divide both sides by 2, which is the coefficient of x. I'm having x equals to what? Negative 1 over 2. We are done. We have found our y. We have found our x, but there is a last operation that they want us to bring out. So they say we should find the value of x plus y. So what is our x? Negative 1 over 2. And what is our y? That is 1. So when you have all this together, definitely, this means that you are subtracting half from 1, or you use your normal LCM, maybe 1 over 1, what have you. But at the end of the day, okay, let me use what you want to use. Maybe I do something like this. LCM is 2 into, I will say 1. 1 times minus 1, minus 1. And here, 1 into 2 times 1, 2. So minus 1 plus 2, I'm having minus 1, that is our x, plus y equals to negative 1 over 2. And that's the answer. And that's how we finish the question. Very simple question. Like I said at the beginning, that the question is very simple. Our goal is just to make sure we master all the concepts, all the topics we have in mathematics. When you keep on practicing and keep on practicing, all these things will be part of you. There's nothing difficult in all these things. All the formula you will use, all the steps you will use, everything depends on your consistency. That's the reason why we tell you to please check our playlist to pick up videos that will strengthen you, likewise to for more questions, and likewise to show you way of getting all these concepts well known. So please do well to press our subscribe button on the YouTube channel, press our follow button on TikTok and Facebook, like, share, and put your comment in the comment box. Maybe you have a topic you want us to discuss, put it also in the comment box, or you have a question you want to ask, put it in the comment box and you'll be attended to. I'll be waiting for you in the next video. Bye.